Okay, now student we will discuss about page 31. Okay, in page 31, making a degree clock. Okay, we know that the shape of the degree clock is circular. Okay, shape of the degree clock is circular. Basically it's look like a circular shape. Okay, degree clock. Now number 1 is given here, that cut a circle out of paper. So from paper like this is the paper. Okay, so from this type of paper you have to cut a circle like this. Okay, you have to cut a circle like this. Next, fold it half, fold it. Okay, like this way. Okay, you will fold it. If you fold it, then it will look like this. Okay, if you fold it, then it will be look like this. Fold it into half. Fold it into half means we just fold once. Okay, we just fold once, then it will look like this. Next, fold it once again into a quarter. So again if you fold it, then it will look like this. It will be look like this. If you fold it again, this one, if you fold it again, then it will look like this. Now number 4, fold it once more. Again if you fold it this way, if you fold it this way, then it will look like this. Okay, it will look like this. Once more we fold it, then it will look like this. Now open the paper, you will see like this. Now if you open the paper, first what we did, first we fold it, then it look like this. Again you fold it, it look like water. Again if you fold it, it will look like this. Now if you open the paper, okay, if you open the paper, it will look like this. Okay, it will be like this, where there are some strikes. Okay, this type of strikes we will see. Okay, this type of strikes or this type of lines we will see if we open the paper, the folded paper. Now if you open it, we will see this type of circle where there are some strikes is there. Okay, now mark 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree as shown. So now we have to find 0 degree. So what is 0 degree here? This one is 0 degree. We know it that this one is 0 degree. Okay, now 45 degree is this. We know that this one is 45 degree because this one is 90, L shaped, it is 90. So 90 half is 45 degrees. Okay, so this one is 90 degree. Like in your page 31, you see page 31, that this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 45. Okay, and this angle, total from start from here to here, it is 180 degree. Okay, it is 180 degree. Okay, paste it on an old card. So we have mentioned the 0 degree, okay, 45 degree, 90 degree, 80 degree. We have mentioned it in the circular paper. In the circle paper we have mentioned it. Now we paste it in a cardboard. Okay, old cardboard we will paste it. We will paste in old cardboard. Okay, now from the center draw one hand. So we have made it like this. When we paste it in a cardboard, it will be like this. Okay, this one is 90 degree, we know. This one is 45 degree, and this one is 180 degree. Now in watch, what we see? In watch we see there are two hands. Okay, from the center is the center. From center, one hand black. By using black, we mention one hand. Okay, it indicates 0 because this one is 0 degree. Okay, now make a red hand with a thick paper and fix it to the center. Another hand we will make with a red color. Okay, like this, the red color, you can use it by red color. Okay, and fix it to the center. We will fix it here, and in such a way we will fix it that we can rotate it. Okay, हम इसको ऐसे यहाँ पे फिक्स करेंगे दोनों, एक ब्लैक से ऐसे करके बनाएंगे और एक रेड कलर से ऐसे करके बनाएंगे. ठीक है, सो दैट इट कैन रोटेट इट लाइक दिस. Okay, center with a drawing pin. So these two hands we will put here, we will fix here with a pin. Okay, these two hands we will fix here with a pin, so that so that we can move it or rotate it. Okay, so that we can move it or rotate it according to the circle. Okay, throughout the circle it can rotate it. Now your degree clock is ready. Okay, now your degree clock is ready. So there are some question is there that your degree clock is ready. Use your degree clock to measure the right angle of your pencil. Okay, so this is the right angle. We already understand that is the right angle because it's a L shaped right angle. Okay, and right angle dash is the measure of the right angle. We know that 90 degree, when it becomes 90 degree, that means it is a right angle. Okay, when it becomes 90 degree, 90 degree is a measure of the right angle. Now half of the right angle, half of the right angle means half into 90 degree. Okay, half of the right angle means half of the right angle is how much? 45. It is 45. Half of the right angle is how much? 45 degree. So half of the right angle is 45 degree. Okay, half of a right angle, half of a right angle means half into 90 degree. So 90 divided by 2 is 45. That means half of a right angle is 45 degree. Now one third of a right angle, one third means how we write one third? Like this, one third of a right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Okay, so if we divide 90 degree by 3, then it becomes 30 degree. So one third of a right angle is equals to 30 degree. 2 times of a right angle, 2 times means 2 multiplied by 90 degree. 2 times of a right angle, right angle we know that right angle means 90 degree. 2 times means we will multiply by 2, so it becomes 180 degree. So it becomes 180 degree. Okay, so हम लोग यहाँ पे ये सीख लिया. We have learned that how to make 45 degree. How we make 45 degree? It is a half of right angle. We know half of right angle is 45 degree. वन थर्ड ऑफ राइट एंगल इज 30 डिग्री. ओके, एंड राइट एंगल को अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर गुना करोगे 2 से, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 विद राइट एंगल दैट मीन्स 90 डिग्री. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 90 डिग्री इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. ओके, सो दिस इज द पेज is given, page 31. Next page we will discuss page 32.